show the progress. Basement is being drywalled. Everything is very slow. Very, very slow. Fire taping is done. Tin bashing needs to go in. Was supposed to be here today. And they were not. This is the 1 bedroom. Because the 2nd bedroom is the mechanical room. Laundry, bathroom, obviously. Kitchen will be there. Furnaces. 2nd suite in the basement. 2 bedroom. Looking good, but so very slow. Mechanical room. Almost done. Gonna drywall a little more and clean it up. It's coming. Very, very slow. When you get up to here, flooring is done. Very dusty. Plugs are on. Kitchen. It's coming along. So much more material. Gonna have to return so much. Tiling. Backsplash. Under counter lighting. Does it work? Oh, look at that. Snap. That's not pretty nice. Bathroom vanity. Toilets. Showed the place 3 times today. Everyone wants to know when it's available. And my answer stays the same. I have no idea. Hopefully 4 to 5 weeks. See you later.